We wouldn't have this house if it wasn't for you.
Greg has done an awesome job, above and beyond. I would highly recommend him to anyone.
Alright guys, I'm here at 6312 Wisteria, meeting with the listing agent on your behalf. The offer is already going to be sent at 12 o'clock. I got it all put together. Thanks for signing. And I'll get this video uploaded as soon as I can. You'll probably see it after the offer is sent. So we'll do a quick preview. The agent did say that, I asked her about the pickleball court. She made it sound like there potentially is room. But I'm going to take my tape measure and try to get that 20 by 40 space or 30 by 40 kind of mapped out real quick for you and see what we got. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you real soon, and we hit the house up here in a second. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what they were thinking as well.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna they're gonna be seeing this video shortly. So I'm gonna fill this down. So if you can help me measure this out here.
No problem.
We'll start from like the edge of the pool there. Why not?
Yep.
See what this will be working with. This is 25 feet to the from sidewalk to the edge of the curb here. I don't know what buffers required here in your county, but it's nothing different than a driveway if you think about it, because we've looked into this.
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
I mean, to be honest, do you think it has to be something permitted?
Probably not, because you can do a sport court and throw it down. Nobody would, let's see what we got. So yeah, let's go to the edge of the sidewalk there. What's that? So we got 25 here. Okay, I'll pull here. You can bring it over a little bit.
Okay.
My spot's right here. See what we got. That stick right there for 25. Take a seawall off this thing. So that is 25 plus 18, 43 feet. So hypothetically, you could do it. You might lose some pickleball out there. So we say 25 by 43, what was that? Yeah, okay. All right, guys, I just measured it out with Susan. It is 25 by 43 here, so I'll give you a kind of quick. Did you find a survey? No. Okay, no survey, but you can have one done, of course. So from the edge of this sidewalk here, and here's the pool. There's the edge, and that's that crack over to the edge of that sidewalk, which goes to the fence, which obviously a pickleball court would be the same as a sidewalk, is 25 feet, a little more than 25, but let's call it 25. And from the edge of this sidewalk to the edge of the seawall is 43 feet. So you have 43 by 25 to play with. You could actually go a little wider, but then you'd be creeping onto your pool deck. And I'll meet you back inside. I'll do a quick walk around. So we got the backyard here. I know you've seen the pictures, but just to give you the full scope and look here, you have this dock. It's got the 10,000 pound lift, we believe. I know you're talking about redoing it. It's kind of a unique dock here. Super cool, solid. Walk out here, get some big boats. You can see a sailboat across there. Big V-hole over there. So obviously we got a deep water canal with a lift and space for a sailboat. Might have to reorganize this a little bit, but seawall you can see there. It's got drains. It looks intact. And the pool right here. This is a cool property. You got the lights up here. Nice square property. Not at the end of the canal. So you get your full 70, I think it's 75 feet here. You already have some cleats. The side of the house, super beachy, super clean. The roof is a metal roof. See up there, got a gate going back to the front. Massive pool. Looks like they need to shock it, or they have shocked it. Can't see to the bottom, but it looks like it's pretty good shape. And then you have a large covered lanai here that has tongue and groove wood ceilings. Fan needs a little help. And then you have a pass-through right here with a bar on the back deck here. TV holder and wainscoting over there. Nice molding. Okay, we got the flooring. I'm actually gonna start cleaning the house. You wanna take me on a tour real quick?
Absolutely.
All right. So I'll just come in the door. All right, so the front here, see the car, and then nice sized lot, palm trees, just like the photos. And there's Susan. Hey, take us on a tour.
Yep. I just had a handyman here this morning. He's gonna come back within the week and do a couple little punch list things. I heard you mention the outside fan blades. That's
Yeah.
one of them.
Okay.
Like cabinet drawer pulls. I have them. He's just gonna install them. There's a few pieces of like missing trim. That's all gonna get addressed.
Okay.
So there are like little things that are gonna get taken care of.
Perfect.
Yep, so this is basically open living space. The kitchen was redone in 2016. The appliances, he's barely lived here. He travels a lot for work and he had a job transfer. Now he's living on the East Coast. I mean, the oven is brand new.
Nice. And that
Yeah.
vent's outside, I'm assuming?
Correct.
Okay.
Yep, yep.
I would expect that.
Yeah, the refrigerator's like spotless. It's like it's, you know. This is quartz, the countertops.
Okay, and it does have a pattern here. It's kind of hard to see. It's got gray,
Yeah, a little bit of a gray in
gray,
it.
white,
Yeah,
kind of coastal, very coastal.
very close. Yeah.
Got these coastal
Yeah.
lights. There we go, nice. A little Franklin feel.
The flooring's all been redone. We did that a few years back.
What is this, engineered wood?
Engineered wood.
That's what it looks like.
Yep. Yep. There are a few transition pieces missing. That's gonna.
Does he have the flooring still? It looks like a,
No,
no? Okay.
I don't think so. Yeah. So yeah, this is another handyman thing that he's gonna finish. For
All right, so that will be finished.
Yeah, that'll be done. What else? There's 2 bedrooms on this side of the home and a full bath.
All right, so going into the bathroom here, you got 2 sinks. This looks like cultured marble. You got a window here, commode, and then a tub, and some tile.
All the windows in the house have been replaced except for the big window in the front.
Looks like a custom window.
Yeah, that's probably why it wasn't replaced.
I like it so seamless though. That's not an open and closed window, is it?
The sides do. There's
Oh, okay.
a smaller section off. It's a 3-piece window.
Oh, it is. You just can't see. I'll
Yeah.
look at it in a second. Okay, this is one of the. Is this the master or no?
This is just an extra bedroom. Yeah.
So this is like a guest room. It could be a den,
Sure.
whatever, off your
Yep.
patio area. It could be your pickleball room. Look, you can watch yourself play pickleball right there, right?
I love it.
While you're waiting, you can air conditioning and just watch them until it's your turn. Sip a little margarita.
That's right. I like it.
And another room. Looks like about the same size as the other
Yeah, I
other
think so.
room. Okay, very nice.
Yeah. A little hallway closet here.
Okay, little linen closets. Perfect, perfect.
And shiplap on the
Yeah.
walls.
And that's the outside too. Porch has a shiplap.
And then over here, the living room. This probably, original with the house is maybe
Dining.
Yeah, like a dining room or something. I'm sure that this at one point this was all boxed in and he opened it up.
No, it makes sense because you have the double French doors. It kind of gives a nice party flow versus one door.
Right.
Because if you had this as a wall, and your
Yeah.
kitchen was kind of right here, then there's only one door in and out. This definitely gives it a more modern feel.
Yeah, yeah. And then the master bedroom's over here. And he has French doors going to the outside patio as well.
Very nice.
Yep.
All right.
And there's a walk-in closet and the master bath.
Double sinks, no mirror. Sure. Okay, this is like the tile. Nice. Pretty nice. And then your walk-in closet here. Not huge, but for a home this size, it's what you would expect.
Yeah.
Time to get rid of some shoes, Becky.
No, women can never get their shoes.
All right, so that's the pickleball room. It's the pickleball shoe room.
The laundry is in the garage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I guess that's just a stick, you know.
Let me look at this window real quick. So you get the window here, it does open in this. Oh, it's a sideways opening window. Cool. All right. So I mean, you probably can have a window company just if you wanted that hurricane. I mean, at this point, you would do it.
Right.
It's kind of plus your insurance. It's not going to help your insurance by not having that window done. It's got to be 100% done. There you go. 2-car garage.
2-car garage. Laundry's out here. Water heater. Electrical panel has been updated, so that's
How long ago was that? 2016, 2017?
I believe so.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. The roof is 2009.
Okay.
He has had an inspection on that, and it was fine.
This looks older.
The AC is older.
Yeah.
Yep.
I would just factor in replacing that at some point.
Yeah.
Washer and dryer staying and stuff, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. And
So you got a nice driveway here too, guys. I mean, you do have an extra, you have parking for 2 and a side parking for, I don't know, jet skis, paddle boards, your little paddleboard trailer. So if you didn't want to, I mean, you got everything you need back here. Storage on the side, you get a big fence. On both sides you have a fence like this. So
gates on both sides.
yeah, maybe your kit plane, Dan, can go in here on a trailer. Your sailplane. I could see that thing right along the side of this house. All right, nice.
I just had the landscaping done out here. So
Oh, nice,
all
okay.
these shelves were just done a couple days ago. It was always stone, but it definitely needed to be dressed up. So we just had all these.
I mean, you could also do this all in the stone and beach it out and then zero-scape the whole thing.
Yep. And we had all the palms trimmed.
What's the neighbors like? Do you know them?
I think they've both been here quite a while.
Okay.
Quiet.
Okay.
Quiet street.
Yep. A lot of second homeowners here?
I don't know.
Okay. Nice. And that's just the cul-de-sac right there, right? All right.
And then easy access out to the bay.
So you just go straight towards the bay that way or the other way?
This way.
Oh, the other way. Okay. So there's the peninsula here going out and then it goes straight out?
It's a right-hand turn.
Okay.
It's 10 minutes maybe idle speed.
Okay.
to get out to the bay.
Super
no
cool.
restrictions, no locks or bridges or anything.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Hey guys, I know you're tuning into this. You're going to see this in a second, but I'll talk to you really soon. Thank you.